Here we are, AccuWeather Edgeman, Boobinator. Clouds are breaking, winds are picking up out of the west. A lot of rain today. Visibility is picking up. Pretty sky in the distance right there, I'd have to say. Another snowstorm dodged, boys. Nothing but rain. About 7/10 of an inch of rain here. Now for the forecast. The evening will clear up. Moisture will be at a minimum right now. We shouldn't get much more in the way of rain. Snow is probably a no. And a new sponsor today, boys. Pres Isle Bay Pilsner. It's a fine Pennsylvania beer from the western part of the state. Lake Erie, as a matter of fact. Drink hearty, my friends.